In the recent video of Chance Shaw, he tried to mock Devon Larratt. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to KSF Academy. Here we provide arm wrestling news to you guys, so make sure you subscribe to our channel. In the recent video of Chance Shaw, he uploaded few segments of a interview between him and Ginterji Devon Larratt, in which Engin asked Devon that will he be able to win against Chance Shaw, and Devon mockingly said that even if I stop eating for like 1 week, even without any food, I will win only with my willpower. So Chance Shaw added few clips of his pulling with Devon Larratt, and he pained Devon Larratt for like multiple times, and he added that segment in a mocking way, saying that you can't win only with your willpower. Chance Shaw also said that when we were practicing, the buckle was on me, so Devon had some leverage, but still he wasn't able to win against me. I pinned Devon for so many times. I am going to face Devon who is much weaker. Like, I'm not going to face the Devon who held Levon for in the first round or beat Hermes or beat Georgi Svetkov. I am going to face a weaker version of Devon. He also commented on the Devon's weight as saying that I am much more bigger than Devon Larratt, and then he added that I am not even practicing for Devon Larratt, like zero practice. And then he said that people that are not supporting, as he saw few polls where there were like 95% chance of Devon winning and like 5% for Chance. He reacted on that, saying that now it is a golden opportunity for me because I have nothing to lose, but I have everything to win. Like, nobody is expecting me to win, so even if I lose, nobody will be shocked. Like, yeah, it was expected, but if I win against him, it will be a golden opportunity for me. So it was all about Chance. Talking about the next match, he said that after winning the match, he will go to honeymoon. So that's his plan, further plans. What do you guys think? Will he be able to pull Devon Larratt? Is that motivation and is that thing is going to work in the match or not? Because we know that Devon Larratt is known for acting and stuff, so maybe he's not showing his whole power. In the recent video, I had already explained how Devon Larratt acted against that match. So what are your opinions? Do comment. And thank you guys, thank you so much. Do subscribe. Bye bye.